My name is Ron Ayers. I am an inside wireman apprentice with the JATC here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. I've been in the program for a little over 3 years now.
My name is Robert Garcia. I'm a fifth-year apprentice. I've been in the program for 5 years, been in the electrical trade for 6, and the sponsor for this program that I'm in is Local 611.
Learning a trade. I started something I never ever did before. I had no idea what I was doing. And being in the apprenticeship, you get a firm foundation, an educational foundation, so that not only are you out there doing the job physically, but mentally you know what you're doing, why you're doing it, and how to do it.
And that's the great thing about the apprenticeship is there's no experience needed. Now I don't have to go looking for the job that I went to school for. The job comes looking for me.
Before I joined the JATC, I worked in radio. In Nevada, I was a program director of a radio station, and I needed to do something that was a little more stable, better income, and better benefits.
The best way I learn is I'm a very hands-on learner, but when it comes to sitting down, buckling down, and doing book work, or sitting behind a computer trying to do work there, it bores me. I've always worked with my hands.
Well, now I'm able to take what I'm learning in school, look at the prints at work, stand with my journeyman. And my current journeyman is great because we'll look at the prints together and he'll say, tell me what you see. And I'll say, we need to run this to there and do that. And he'll say, yep, do you know what this is? So it makes that learning process better because you hear the lecture in class, you study it in the book, and then you get to use it hands-on at work. And I think that's where it sticks the most, where I'm using it at work and making something out of this crazy looking piece of paper.
College isn't for everybody. It's not. My wife went to college and she actually couldn't find a job in the field that she went to college for because everyone wants experience.
I learned a lot in college, but if you're in high school and you're not sure, check out some of the trades. At least you'll get to work and earn money while you learn.